Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix your DNS server might be unavailable on your Windows PC. So this problem occurs guys if you are having network issues and you've tried resolving it using the Windows network diagnostics as seen here, and you see this issue problem found is your DNS server might be unavailable. So the way to fix this guys is two ways. So the first way is go over to your search bar and type in Ethernet settings. So once you are here in Ethernet settings, go ahead and go over to status here and be sure to click on change adapter options under advanced network settings. So be sure to select what Ethernet you are in. So if you are on Ethernet, LAN cable, or Wi-Fi, so you better know that. So this is mine here. So what you want to do is disable it first and enable it after it. So okay, as you can see, it restarts my network right there. And after doing that, go over to right click and properties. And once you are here, make sure to select Ethernet Protocol version 4 or IPv4. Click on that and type in properties. And once you are on here, you just have to tick this box here, radio button. Use the following DNS server addresses. So you need to input 8.8.8.8 on the preferred DNS server and 8.8.4.4 on the alternate DNS server. After that, you just have to check this box here, validate settings upon exit, and hit OK. So once done with that, just save the settings. And what you want to do is restart your PC and see if that worked for you. But if that does not work guys, then I have another solution for you. All you have to do is go on over to your CMD and type in this following commands. So right click on the CMD, run as admin, yes, and you just have to input these commands here one by one. netsh winsock reset right there. The second one is ipconfig / release, no spaces. Okay, so next one is ipconfig flush / flushdns. Next one is ipconfig / renew. Okay, so once done with this one, okay, it's done. So you just have to exit the CMD and restart your computer again. So okay guys, those are the ways on how you can fix this issue. Thank you for watching and goodbye.